Hello friends, this is Shakeel and today I am going to discuss about AI Google Studio. This is a very powerful AI tool. So first of all, I will go to the Chrome and I will type here aistudio.google.com and the page will appear like this and it will display chat, stream, generally these are all the options. And first of all, I will go here and I will write a prompt here: create a picture of line walking in a forest. And after that I will go on run, so it will display a picture according to my prompt. It will take 5 seconds and the image will appear. Look, the image has appeared and it has given me the image as per my prompt. So you can also do one thing. You can also, if you have any image, you can go in the plus sign and you can also upload the image from here. Simply I will show you. I will go in the gallery and I will take this picture. I will open it. This is my picture. So it will take 5 seconds and after this I will type a prompt here: remove the background of this picture. Okay, then I will go and run. So it will remove the background as per my prompt, as per what prompt I have given. So it will remove the background of the picture. It will take few seconds. It will create a picture. Just we have to wait for some moment. Look, it has created the picture while it has removed the views. You can see this picture, there is the background count coming, but now here it is the white, no background is coming. So we can download this picture also. If we want to download it, we can download it. Okay, so this is the one thing. And again I can give it a prompt that is create an image of the above person driving a car. Okay, I will go and run. Let us see what will happen. We have to wait for few seconds. It will generate another image as per my prompt. It will take few seconds. We have to wait. Okay, it is first. It will create. Look, the image has been created. It is my image and I am driving a car. Okay, so it is possible. Everything is possible in this option. We can change the color, we can do anything whatever we like. So there is no need to go in the other softwares to edit an image. We can also, this is now you can see it. This is my image and I am driving a car. Okay, you can download it from here. Okay, so this is the first option. Now the another option is we can go here. This is the stream. So there are three options. First is talk, second is webcam, and the third is share screen. So if we press the talk, so we can ask any question to it and it will give the answer. We can share our webcam here. If I will press this and the webcam will appear here, and I can also share the screen. Now let us first of all try this option talk. Okay, allow this time, I have to allow it. And now here I will stop the recording first. It is already doing something.
Okay, I understand. What needs to be divided into 2 piles?
Okay, now I will start the recording. I will ask it, I want to buy a smartphone. Which one is the best smartphone right now in the market?
Well, there are a lot of great smartphones out there, but some of the most popular ones are the iPhones, the Samsung Galaxy phones, and the Google Pixel phones. The best one for you really depends on what features you're looking for and your budget.
So whatever question we are asking him, it will give us the answer. I will ask it one more question. Which one walk is better? Is it morning walk or evening walk?
Both morning and evening walks can be beneficial. Morning walks can help you wake up and feel energized, while evening walks can help you relax and de-stress after a long day. The best time to walk is really whatever works best for your schedule and preferences.
So okay. So now whatever question I will ask it, and it will answer me according to my question. I can also download this voice. I can go here and download this voice. And also I can use this voice, this audio, if I am making any video, so I will use this audio echo for that video. Now the second option is, I will again go here, I will go to the stream. Second option is, this is the talk I have shown to you. Now this is the webcam. If I will press here, the webcam will appear like this, as you are seeing my webcam. Now share screen, I can also share the screen, just the entire screen. I will press here, the screen will share, I will share it, and we can also share the screen like this. So the third option is, that is generate media. I will press here. There are many options in this. If I will go to the image in, this is the same option as I showed you already in the chat. We can generate image. We can give prompt and the image will be generated according to our prompt. Now here it is the Gemini speech. If I will press here, and if the two persons are speaking, if suppose we have make a story where the two persons exist, now what a first person has to speak, we can paste it here. What a second speaker has to say, he can paste it here. So we can this is for the story what the two peoples are in, what there are two characters in a picture or in the story. Now here I will go on the single audio speaker, and whatever I will type here, and it will, then I have to go to run, it will start speaking that text. I have to go to here. Now I will copy it. I will copy this content, and then I will paste here. After that I will go and run. It will take 5 seconds. We have to wait for 5 seconds so that we can generate the audio. It will generate the audio.
Either they feel nervous or they hesitate. If you really want to remove your hesitation, you have to come out of it. If you think maybe you will make mistakes, no issue. You will learn from your mistakes. This will increase your confidence level. It will not happen in single day.
Okay. So whatever text I have given to it, and it has created an audio according to that. So same is the process. I can download this audio and I can use it for the video, or I can save it, or I can use it anywhere wherever I want to use it. So the third option is, Again, third option is this is the image, this is the speech, and this is the layer real time. Here we can create an lyrics. We have to wait for some time, for a few seconds. So okay, we will go and play. So it will play the music. We can also use that music, use those lyrics for our video. Also we can save it also. Look, okay, it will play the music, and also we can download this. Same here, we can download from this, and we can also use these lyrics for our video. Wherever we want to use it, we can use it. And after that, the another option is VEO, and here we can generate videos as per our requirement. We can first of all generate the image, then for that then we will give the prompt, and the image will be converted into the video. I will give here the prompt: create an image of a lion walking in a forest. I will go here and run. But as I have finished my quota, because I have made 7 to 10, nearly 10 images. Today I have made 10 video, and I have also created the video of those images. I have used my quota of 10. As you can see here, it is showing 0 out of 10. I have already completed my quota. So here you can do one thing. We have, first of all, we can create an image, and after that we can create, when the image will be created, we have to write another prompt. Suppose if I have given the prompt here, create an image of a lion walking in a forest. So it will create an image of a lion walking in a forest. That will be the image. Now I have to convert that image into the video. So then I have to give here, I will give here another prompt: make a video of this image of 5. We can make the video duration at least, and the maximum limit is 8 seconds. Make a video of a lion of 8 seconds walking in a forest. So according to my prompt, it will create a video of a lion of 8 seconds walking in a forest. So these are the options. So now I will go in the history. So whatever I have done here, so all I can find it in the history. So this is the dashboard. Now here it is the API keys, and if I will go here, you can see that this is the code, and these are the API. And now if I will go here, now documentation. Now in the documentation, the code will be, whatever images are created, the code will be displayed according to those images. Suppose I will go here, imagine the code is it is also, we can the code will be written in the Python, in the Java, and these are all the codes. So whatever the image will be generated or the video will be generated, so the code will be displayed here. So I hope, so this is the all things that I have shown to you. So I hope you liked my video. So try all these options one by one, and this is very good AI tool. So I hope you like this information. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.